Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. And don't forget, so today I'm gonna be giving you a video as to the blocking up process of the house.
Bam bam, me I say maximum representing for S&M Jamaica lifestyle, and we are say like, comment and subscribe. Bam, my mama.
Hey guys, so welcome back. So guys, I'm gonna hold a little talk with you guys today. So anyone can own a piece of land. Don't look at the $1 million price, because what, some price they're selling the lands for these days, some price. But don't look at the 18 million, the 15 million. Look at what you can afford, because some people, they say they don't, oh, I don't want land in certain parish, I don't want land in certain area. You don't have to buy land like in the heart of the volatile community, but you can buy outside of Kingston, because Kingston, my dear, the land, the prices is house price. So buy what you cannot afford. If you can only afford a beer, don't try to reach the champagne like the Moet and them kind of expensive one day. Stick with the beer, whole of soda, or whole of water. In other words, if you can't afford the expensive land, stick with the one where you can afford. It can be a different parish, it can be just a starter home. Guys, and another thing, when I was purchasing my land, I did not have money in my account. My account was on nil, $0. But I did not let that deter me. I was thinking, where am I gonna find the money? How am I gonna come up with all of this money? And you know what? My sister, mark you if you don't have a sister. My sister, she didn't have it either, because she wanted to purchase a piece of the land for herself too. So she did not have the money. So she said to me, I am going to borrow some money, and she's going to borrow the money and lend it to me. And she loaned me that money to make the deposit, because you know you have to come up with at least 10%. And she borrowed that money and she loaned it to me. I made the deposit and I was able to down payment on the land. And as you go, you know, you have other fees coming up, like transfer fee and some other fees, guys. So you don't only have just the deposit towards the land and that's it. There is other fees that you have to take in consideration, but don't think about all of the fee one time, because if you're working gradually, you get the fee for that one and the fee for that one, and so on and so forth. This is a very good feeling when you work so hard and you see the building going up and you see all the block work and everything. You know, I mean, you have a long way to go before living in it, but when you see the block work and the room separated and everything, it is a good feeling, guys. Work hard for what you want and start small and continue growing. The worst thing is when you don't start. So if you have a piece of land, if you get a piece of land from family, or if you buy a piece of land, or if you just a piece of land through NHT, you just want to start. So guys, if you're new here, remember to subscribe to check out the next video. We are now at the end of this video, but I'll be doing several series and letting you see the different steps on the process as I go along with my building my dream house / Airbnb in Jamaica. So bye guys, thanks so much.